Welcome to Stellar Hosting. An FTP account allows you to upload, download, and manage your website files using an FTP client such as FileZilla. It's especially useful for developers or website owners who want quick access to their website files without logging into the control panel every time. In this video, I'll show you how to create an FTP account in cPanel. First, log into your Stellar Hosting account using your login details. In your website services, locate cPanel. Click Login and log into Control Panel. Once you're on the cPanel dashboard, scroll down to the File section and click on FTP Accounts. In the Add FTP Account section, fill in the required fields. Enter the desired username. The full FTP username will automatically include your domain name. Enter a strong password or use the password generator. Make sure to save the password securely. Also, specify the directory the FTP account can access. You can also get a storage quota if you want to limit how much data the FTP account can use. For example, choose unlimited or a specific size like 500 MB. Once everything is set, click Create FTP Account. cPanel will now create the FTP account and the new account will appear in the FTP accounts list. And that's it. We've successfully created an FTP account in cPanel. In the FTP account sections, you can change the password or quota, delete the account if it's no longer needed. Click on Configure FTP clients to download configuration files for FileZilla or other clients. Take note of the FTP account details such as your username, password, host, and port. Open an FTP client, enter the host's username, password, and port, then connect to verify access to the specified directory. You can test uploading a file to confirm that the account works correctly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need Stellar Hosting services. Also, subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials with Stellar Hosting. See you in the next video.